They done messed up making this for. What's up, you guys? I'm here to do a wig review. We're gonna do a wig review on this melted hairline lace front wig. It's by Outre also, and it's in a number 1 in Natalia. The style is Natalia. Okay. It's a nice curl. Got a comb in the back. Straps if you need to tighten it up. Y'all know the whole spiel. And as y'all can see, I've already did my edges and stuff. Got the stocking cap on. I'm giving you a little Richie vibes. Okay. It's a transparent lace, pre-attached elastic band to ensure a secure lift-free fit. It says it's a 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. Natural baby hairs. Okay. Okay, so this is real cute, y'all. I'm gonna come back after I clip off the lace up here, and then we gonna glue it down. I'ma be back. Okay. Got this on. Got the little nice fake. I don't like. I'm gonna keep my part like this because I don't like when I see a big ass runway down people's heads. We're not gonna do that. You're not gonna be able to tell what's going on in my head. It's supposed to be hidden, okay? You ain't supposed to walk up to me knowing what's going on. You're too close, okay? And by the way, give me 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got it off. Okay, Syntheticaa! They done messed up making this for me. Girl, do y'all see this? You know, I ain't got it tacked all the way down for real. But it's a nice hairline. Look at that. If I throw it behind my ear. No, y'all didn't. No, y'all didn't. Hi. Hi. This is gorgeous, okay? Let me just tell you that. Look at this. You wouldn't even tell. You would thought I paid $300 for this. And I just put down a little bit of concealer on my, what you call it. So hold on, let's see what it do with the, hopefully. Now it does get a little tangly, but outside of that, Syntheticaa is looking all right. It's pretty pretty, guys. So there you have it, guys. This is the bomb, okay? This wig is the bomb. It's gorgeous. Look at that curl. This is the best curl. Nobody like no extra. Well, I know for myself, I don't really care for the extra tight curl or the extra too loose curl. This is just enough. You see, it's just a bug, baby. Well, that's all, you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. This wig is everything, honey. It's not, it don't feel thin. It look good, like, for real. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, this costs like $50, I think. No more than $50 or whatever. Probably less than that if you find it. This is it. So Thank you, and please subscribe. Bye.